turn into the Easter Bunny? Break eggs with candies inside? Blow bubbles from a carrot? And use Easter eggs for fortune telling? Learn fun ideas to celebrate Easter in our new video. Easter is right around the corner, and the girls are discussing who gets to be the Easter Bunny this year. The Easter Bunny will get to arrange games, come up with activities, and put on the most iconic piece, a white bunny hat. Cut out a paper template of the front part of the hat. Trace it on a piece of faux fur. Cut it out and hot glue the piece to the cap. Make bunny ears from thick white and pink felt. Cut a nose out of pink felt. Hot glue a piece of fur to make a fluffy tail. Attach the details to the cap. Hot glue the nose to the edge of the visor. Fasten the tail to the back strap. We try the hat on. Of course, this tail looks good on everyone. But the friends want to take part in Easter games instead of coming up with them. Stevie enters the room. This is fate! It seems we have the perfect bunny and an Easter party host. Say no to boring activities. Stevie will create some original games this Easter. He turns the classic egg hunt into a light show. Wrap a glow stick into a ring. Put it into a plastic egg. Make a few glow-in-the-dark eggs. The girls should find as many hidden eggs as possible, but these are more than just eggs. Ready, set, Easter! Dolly runs into the room. What is that glowing in the dark? It's an egg! Great! I have one now. Detective Dolly keeps investigating the room. Let's check the clothes. There is one more egg. It wanted to hide away in my blazer. Meanwhile, Samantha finds one glowing egg in the kitchen. That's not a lot. Dolly sees the third egg glowing from under the bed. What a great harvest! The egg hunt continues. Samantha reaches the living room. There's something interesting in the dresser. It's a rare and beautiful shining egg. Hot glue a string of sequins to a plastic egg. Be sure to make a cut at the joining. Add different kinds of glitter to white slime and put it into the egg. Samantha opens up the egg, and there's a glittering stress reliever in it. I lucked out! The girls have gone through the entire house, and they are on their last legs. At last, the time is up. Bunny Stevie counts the results. Samantha is the winner. Her egg is unique, since fun slime is hidden in it. We start a candy eating contest. Whoever eats the most candies in 30 seconds wins. Bunny Stevie came up with a device for bright candies. Coat the top mold from a stack of paper cupcake molds with acrylic paints. Hot glue the bottom part of a plastic egg to the bottom of the mold stack. Put in M&Ms. Close the egg. Hot glue a cap on top. Attach a silver button to the base. All you have to do is throw the candy and catch it in your mouth. Samantha is not happy about this. She's never been able to catch food with her mouth, but Dolly nails it. It's her time to shine. While Samantha is wasting candies, Dolly has caught and eaten a few already. The winner is obvious. But the Easter Bunny believes that there have to be two winners. That's why he gives a present to both of them. It's an Easter makeup set. Paint a little egg carton light green. Put makeup into the cells. Decorate it with a bright ribbon. We wonder what's inside. Samantha takes out a fluffy yellow chick. What a cutie! Cut chick toes and a beak out of a red foam rubber sheet. Hot glue them to a yellow EOS. Add eyes with acrylic paint. Hot glue some fluff on top. A real EOS is hidden in this adorable baby chick. And Dolly pulls a little carrot out of the ground. It's carrot nail polish. Cut a strip of green felt, making a fringe. Attach it to the cap of a bottle of orange tinted nail polish. Make a carrot pattern on the vial with hot glue. While Dolly is doing her nails with the carrot, Samantha takes out an Easter egg sponge. Cut a beauty blender with nail scissors. Shape it like an egg. The girls were doing their makeup for so long that the bunny fell asleep. Speaking of bunnies, there is a fluffy-tailed bunny in the set. Coat the sides of a blush container with white acrylic paint. Trace the container on a white foam rubber sheet. Cut it out and hot glue the circle on top. Outline the container, adding bunny ears on the foam rubber sheet. Attach it to the bottom. Hot glue a white pom-pom to be a bunny tail. Dolly finds blush inside the bunny. How cute! The girls try out the Easter blush. Thanks for the gift, Bunny! The next contest is egg decorating. The girls have paints and their imaginations, and Bunny Stevie takes a lunch break. The girls get so carried away with the paint that Samantha colors her friend's nose instead of the egg. Here is our judge. Samantha was laughing so hard at her own pranks that she smashed the egg. Whoops! The whole white spilled out. Stevie always uses a designer egg to avoid that. Wrap a little plastic cup with light white clay. Shape duck feet from clay. Attach them to the cup. When dry, color the piece with acrylic paints. Put it in an egg. What a cute Donald Duck! Dolly appreciated this egg accessory, but it's too early to get distracted. It's time to wrap up the contest. Samantha gets a new egg. The contest is nearly over. Dolly managed to paint a whole impressionist picture on her egg. And Samantha only just started. Time's up! Dolly wins fair and square. The prize is a carrot from the Easter Bunny. Wrap a long bottle of soap bubbles in light orange clay. Shape a carrot. Create texture with acrylic paint. Cut a green foam rubber sheet into a long fringe. And wrap it around the cap. Make it look like a carrot stem. There are soap bubbles inside the carrot. It's time to have fun. Our Easter celebration is still going. Bunny Stevie follows the instructions and creates Easter eggs with a surprise. The girls will definitely love them. Prick a raw egg with an awl. Stick in a syringe and take out the egg white and the yolk. Clean the eggs from the inside. Put a few empty eggs onto a wooden skewer. Tape the skewer to 2 strands and color the eggs with acrylic paints. Create a polka dot print. Make confetti out of colored paper using a hole puncher. Fill the empty eggs with it. Cover the hole with light clay. Paint the clay to be the color of the egg. Put the eggs into a box with gift filling. The contest starts. The friends compete in breaking eggs. Fun and confetti falls out of the broken eggshells. Now that's a party! The Easter Bunny is choosing the winner. It seems like it'll be Samantha, so she gets a present: carrot earrings! Make 2 little carrots from orange polymer clay. Attach green clay stems on top. Use tweezers to create texture. Make hollows with a modeling tool. Imitate a carrot texture. Put the pieces on parchment paper. Cut them into 2 parts and stick blank earring studs into them. Poke holes on the other halves so that you can close the earrings. Bake them in an oven for 30 minutes at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Stick the ready earrings into a brown foam rubber sheet circle and put it into a pot. The girls pull fresh earrings right out of the ground. Samantha tries on the carrots. They look excellent! Now that's what we call the Easter dress code. Stevie keeps studying the instructions for Easter bunnies. The girls give him a present to thank him for the party. It's a set of fortune eggs. Coat clean, empty eggshells with pearl acrylic paint. Print out predictions. Cut out and roll them. Stick them into the eggs and put the eggs into a box. Add a ribbon. Write a label that says, "Fortune Eggs." The instructions to this fortune set are very simple. Break an egg however you like, and you will find a prediction inside. How interesting! Everyone takes a fortune. Now the future is in our own hands. This is such a nice Easter gift. Did you like our Easter party ideas? Then write in the comments which game you would play with your friends on Easter Sunday. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new holiday hacks on Troom Troom.